Hello all, welcome to this session. In this session, I am going to answer one of the Selenium interview questions. That is, on what places you can write or mention the tags in feature file. Let me answer. In Cucumber projects, we generally create these feature files. In feature files, we have scenarios and steps in the scenarios and all. Okay. So in what locations of this feature file, we can specify the tags. Okay. Or mention the tags. These are the 4 locations in the feature file where we can specify or mention the tags. One is above the feature keyword. Okay, for example, let me show you practically each and everything for you. So I'll switch to this Eclipse IDE where I have a sample Cucumber project or Cucumber framework. Okay, in this, I'll open one of the feature file. Let's say this login.feature file. You see, on the top of this feature keyword, Gherkin language keyword, you can mention the tags. You see, these are user-defined tags. @login is one of the, instead of specifying this @login for each and every scenario, okay, because all the scenarios belong to the login functionality. So I need to mention this @login for this scenario, for this, and everything. So instead of doing that, simply what I can do is I can mention this @login on the top of the feature keyword. So it is nothing but mentioning for all the scenarios in this feature file. Okay. So you can mention tags above the feature keyword in the feature files. Second place is above the scenario. For example, this is one of the scenario. So above which you have mentioned one of the tag. This is a user-defined tag. Any name you can add. @invalid credentials is the tag name. Okay. I have specified above this scenario. Okay. And the third place or location in the feature file where you can specify or mention the tags in the feature file is scenario outline. Not only for scenario, for data-driven test-related scenario outline also we can mention, okay, above the scenario outline. There's also a scenario, but it's a data-driven type where which runs the same scenario runs multiple times for each and every set of data provided here, okay, under the examples keyword. So above the, not only above the scenario, but above the scenario outline also you can mention the tag, okay. So generally the tag will start with symbol and all and some name, user-defined name. And the last one or location is examples. For example, scenario outline generally is accompanied with this examples keyword. Okay, examples keyword. Okay, Gherkin language keyword. Above this also you can mention. Above this examples also you can mention the keyword. For example, @positive. Okay, positive data. Like this you can mention. Again, you can mention one more negative data and just copy paste this and some negative data like 666. Okay, and just writing some negative data. Okay, like this. You can mention the tags even above the examples keyword also. So when you mention these tags either above the examples or above the scenario outline or above the scenario or above the feature keyword, these tags, when running this scenarios, you have to mention these tags in the test runner class. Go to the test runner and here, one of the property of the Cucumber options is tags is equal to, you just mention whatever the tag name. @login you can mention, or @all you can mention, valid credentials you can mention, all the user-defined tags, okay? So you can mention, or positive data you can mention, okay? That I provided above the examples keyword, positive data or negative data, whatever it is, followed by comma, etc. Like that you can mention. Only those scenarios or those scenario outlines or those example data or those feature file provided with this particular tags will be running. Okay. Other scenarios will not be running. Only the tags specified scenarios will be running. Okay. So hope guys you got the answer for this question on what places on which locations in the feature file you can mention the tags or specify the tags. These are the locations or places. So that's all for this session. Thank you. Bye-bye.